Samsung Shop 101. Samsung Shop app download. Samsung Shop is the official online store and retail platform of Samsung, a leading global technology company known for its wide range of consumer electronics, including smartphones, tablets, wearables, home appliances, TVs, and more. Samsung Shop allows customers to purchase Samsung products directly from the company, providing a convenient and comprehensive shopping experience. Key features of Samsung Shop: 1. Wide product range, smartphones and tablets. Samsung Shop offers the latest Galaxy smartphones, including the Galaxy S series, Galaxy Note series, Galaxy Z foldable phones, and Galaxy A series, along with a variety of tablets. Wearables, a selection of wearables, such as the Galaxy Watch series, Galaxy Buds, and other fitness trackers and smartwatches. Home appliances, customers can browse and purchase home appliances like refrigerators, washing machines, ovens, and vacuum cleaners. TVs and home entertainment, a range of TVs, soundbars, and home entertainment systems, including Samsung's QLED, OLED, and UHD TVs. Accessories, Samsung Shop also provides a variety of accessories for Samsung devices, such as cases, chargers, and other peripherals. 2. Exclusive offers and promotions. Samsung Shop often features exclusive deals, promotions, and bundles that are not available through other retailers. This includes discounts, trade-in offers, and pre-order bonuses for new product launches. 3. Customization options. For certain products, such as smartphones, customers can choose specific colors, storage capacities, and other customization options to tailor their purchase to their preferences. 4. Trade-in program. Samsung Shop offers a trade-in program where customers can exchange their old devices for credit towards a new purchase. This program typically covers a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, and wearables. 5. Samsung financing. To make purchases more accessible, Samsung Shop provides financing options, allowing customers to pay for their products in installments. This can include zero-interest plans for qualified buyers. 6. Fast and secure delivery. Samsung Shop offers various shipping options, including free standard shipping and expedited delivery. Customers can track their orders online and have their products delivered directly to their doorstep. 7. Samsung Care Plus. Customers can purchase Samsung Care Plus for added protection on select devices. This extended warranty service covers accidental damage and provides priority customer support. 8. Easy returns and customer support. Samsung Shop provides a straightforward return policy, allowing customers to return products within a specified period if they are not satisfied. The platform also offers customer support to assist with orders, product questions, and technical support. 9. Samsung Members Benefits. By signing up for a Samsung account, customers can join the Samsung Members Program, which offers such as exclusive offers, events, and early access to new products. Samsung Shop provides a one-stop destination for purchasing Samsung products directly from the manufacturer, with various advantages such as exclusive deals, customization options, and comprehensive customer support.